Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Cook's Art. Today I am going to make a marble cake. We all know that the measurement is very important for baking a cake. But today I will use a regular teacup and spoon instead of measuring cup or spoon. So let's get started. First, take a bowl and a strainer. Now add 2 cups of maida or all-purpose flour. Then add 1 spoon baking powder and half spoon baking soda. Mix them well. Filter it. Next, take another bowl, add 3 eggs and beat them well. After that, gradually add 1 cup of powdered sugar and mix them. I have taken regular sugar and grinded it. After mixing, add 1 cup of sunflower oil or melted butter. Again mix it well. As this bowl is too small for mixing, I am transferring it to a bigger bowl. Now, gradually add the dry ingredients. And mix it well. If the batter becomes too thick, add little milk at room temperature. And mix it again. The consistency of batter should be like this. Next, I will add 1 spoon of mixed fruit essence. You can also add any other essence, it's totally up to you. Again mix it well. Because I am making a marble cake, I am transferring half of the batter to another bowl In this bowl, I am adding around 2 spoons of cocoa powder and again mixing it. Now I will preheat my oven and always use the lower rack for baking. I will use the convection mode at 180 degrees centigrade for 10 minutes. In the meanwhile, grease the cake tin with oil. Don't forget the sides. Next, place a paper on it. It can be butter paper or regular notebook paper. Again, brush oil on the paper. Then add some flour. And spread it all over the tin. Now the tin is ready. Then pour 1 big spoon of white batter. After that, add another big spoon of cocoa batter. Repeat this until both the batters have been completely used up. Now take a stick and make a design of your choice. After that, tap the tin 3-4 times to remove any bubbles inside. Now my batter and my oven both are ready. Now place the tin inside the oven. And put the oven in convection mode at 180 degrees centigrade for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, take out the cake from the oven. Then check if it has been baked or not using a stick. See, this is sticky now. This shows that the cake hasn't been baked yet. Again, I will bake it for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, check it again. This time, the stick is coming out clean. So, the cake has been baked. Leave it to cool for 5 minutes. After that, unmold the cake. Remove the paper carefully. Flip it and my cake is ready. Cut the cake. And it's just wow! Look how soft it is. You too can follow the recipe and make a cake, and if you feel it is helpful, then please like, share and subscribe my channel Cooks Art. And if you have any suggestion, you can pass it on at the comment section.